Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the accessibility features the iPhone needs. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Spoken Content. This activates the system TTS engine. Once done, toggle Speak Selection and Speak Screen on so text can be read from any app. Next, choose a voice and adjust the speaking rate. A slightly slower rate helps diagnostic checks. Make sure your device is updated and on Wi-Fi so any high-quality voices can download. This prevents stuttering later. Now you configure voices and test across apps to isolate problems. Choose a high-quality voice in spoken content. Download it completely before testing because partial downloads cause dropouts. Once selected, set the speaking rate and use the preview button to listen. This confirms integrity. Open Safari and select some text, or use Notes, then use Speak Screen, swipe down with 2 fingers to verify output. If third-party apps fail, the issue is likely app permissions or an API mismatch. Finish by clearing common system-level causes. Restart your iPhone to reload the TTS service, and if problems persist, reset accessibility settings. This preserves data but restores defaults. Make sure audio routes correctly. Disconnect Bluetooth or paired headphones, then try internal speaker to rule out routing. If a single app still fails, clear its cache or reinstall it. App-specific TTS failures often come from outdated SDKs. Troubleshooting tip: if speech is garbled, re-download the chosen voice and test at a slower rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.